Imagine flying through the city without a pilot, only you, the sky, and the future of transportation. The Boeing Passenger Air Vehicle, PAV, is a fully electric, autonomous vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, designed for seamless urban air mobility. With 8 vertical lift rotors and a single pusher propeller for forward flight, the PAV offers a smooth and efficient ride. It's compact, measuring 28 feet in wingspan and 30 feet in length, and can carry up to 2 passengers. With a range of up to 50 miles and a maximum takeoff weight of just 1,764 pounds, it's built for quick, efficient urban commutes. The first flight in January 2019 marked a key milestone toward autonomous air taxis, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in air travel. Though the project was paused in 2020 due to financial challenges and the pandemic's impact on aviation, the Boeing PAV remains a symbol of how close we are to revolutionizing urban transport. The sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. Meet Alice, the future of regional air travel, fully electric and ready to soar. eVTOLs' Alice is setting the stage for a new era of sustainable aviation. With a top speed of 300 miles per hour, 260 knots, and a range of up to 250 nautical miles, Alice is engineered for fast, efficient regional flights. Powered by 2 Magnix Magni 650 electric propulsion units, each delivering 640 kilowatts, it climbs at an impressive rate of 2,000 feet per minute. Designed for comfort and efficiency, Alice accommodates 9 passengers and 2 crew members, with a maximum takeoff weight of 18,400 pounds and a payload capacity of 2,500 pounds. Its maiden flight on September 27, 2022, marked a key milestone in the world of electric aviation. Set to begin commercial operations by 2026, Alice promises a cost-effective, eco-friendly alternative to traditional aircraft, paving the way for greener skies. The sky is electric, and Alice is leading the charge. Introducing the Cyclotech Cruise Up, the air car that takes urban travel to new heights, the future of personal air travel, now within reach. The Cyclotech Cruise Up is a groundbreaking 2-seat electric air car, built to redefine urban and suburban transportation. Powered by advanced cyclorotor technology, it offers 360 degrees thrust vectoring, delivering unmatched precision and control with no need for traditional control surfaces. With a top speed of 150 km per hour and a range of 100 km, the Cruise Up is perfect for quick, efficient trips around the city. Its compact design ensures you can easily park and navigate through tight spaces, making it ideal for crowded urban environments. While details remain limited, the Cruise Up is a bold step forward in personal air mobility, showcasing the possibilities of electric flight for everyday use. The sky is the limit, and the Cruise Up is leading the way. While details are still emerging, the Cruise Up marks a bold leap toward revolutionizing how we navigate our cities. The future of travel is airborne, and the Cruise Up is leading the charge. Forget traffic jams. Imagine soaring above the city in the Bellwether Volar. Imagine skipping traffic in something that looks like a flying supercar. That's the Bellwether Volar, a futuristic EV aircraft built for the heart of the city. With no wings and a fully hidden electric propulsion system, it lifts off vertically, making tight rooftops and small spaces its playground. Its aerodynamic shape isn't just eye-catching, it's purpose-built for urban skies. In early tests, the half-scale prototype reached 13 feet in altitude and cruised at 25 miles per hour, proving it's more than just a concept. What sets the Volar apart is its seamless blend of sleek design and smart engineering, all packed into a vehicle made to glide above city chaos. Think of it as the next-gen alternative to both traffic jams and carbon emissions. The future of city travel isn't just airborne, it's beautifully engineered. The Volar isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about reshaping the future of transportation. Introducing the Jetoptera J2000, where innovation takes flight. The Jetoptera J2000 is revolutionizing how we think about air travel. This futuristic aircraft is designed for both urban and intercity journeys, with a groundbreaking fluidic propulsion system that uses compressed air instead of traditional blades. The result? Quieter, safer, and more efficient flights. With a top speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 200 miles, the J2000 is perfectly suited for air taxi services. It can carry up to 2,000 pounds, making it ideal for both personal and commercial use. Powered by a hybrid electric system, it combines efficiency with scalability while ensuring smooth operation in bustling cityscapes. The J2000 is a game-changer for aerial mobility, blending innovation and practicality to redefine personal and commercial transportation. It's not just a new aircraft, it's a glimpse into the future of how we'll move through the skies. The Jetoptera J2000 isn't just another aircraft, it's a game-changer for both personal and commercial aerial mobility. This is the future of flight, quiet, efficient, and built for tomorrow's cities. Think rush hour traffic is bad? Midnight flies right over it, literally. Meet the Archer Midnight, a sleek, all-electric aircraft built to transform how we move through cities. With space for one pilot and 4 passengers, it cruises at 241 km per hour and covers up to 50 km, depending on weight and weather. Its 12-rotor design isn't just for show. 6 tilt for vertical takeoff and landing, while the other 6 power smooth, energy-efficient flight. Add a max takeoff weight of 6,500 pounds and a payload over 1,000 pounds, and you've got a flying machine built for back-to-back trips with hardly any downtime. Midnight isn't just another futuristic concept, it's a serious answer to the growing demand for fast, clean, and flexible urban transport. From crowded streets to quiet skies, Midnight signals a new era of everyday flight. It shattered the sound barrier, and it's just getting started. Meet the Boom Supersonic XB-1, the sleek jet paving the way for the return of supersonic travel. Nicknamed the Baby Boom, this single-seat test aircraft is a 71-foot marvel built to push boundaries. Its carbon fiber body slices through the air with reduced drag, while advanced tech like digital flight controls and AR-assisted landing systems offer precision and control at supersonic speeds. On January 28, 2025, it made history, breaking Mach 1 just 11 minutes after takeoff over the Mojave Desert. That wasn't just a test flight, it was a preview of what air travel could look like tomorrow. The XB-1 isn't just fast, it's a critical leap toward Boom's larger vision, the Overture airliner, set to bring commercial supersonic flights back by 2030. From silent runways to sonic skies, the XB-1 is writing the next chapter in aviation. What if your weekend getaway started with 260 horsepower and a cruise speed of over 200 knots? Meet the Pipistrel Panthera, a light aircraft built for speed, style, and serious range. This 4-seater blends high performance with smart design. Its Lycoming engine delivers power, while the lightweight composite frame keeps it agile in the sky. With a wingspan of nearly 36 feet and a sleek aerodynamic body, it sips fuel without sacrificing speed, flying up to 1,000 nautical miles on a single tank. Inside, it's just as impressive. The roomy cabin comfortably seats 4 adults, and a modern avionics suite puts advanced control at your fingertips, boosting safety and awareness mid-flight. Whether you're a weekend pilot or a private aviation lover, the Panthera makes long-distance flight personal, efficient, and smooth. This isn't just a plane, it's a refined leap forward in personal air travel. What if your next commute felt more like piloting a jet than riding a bike? Meet the UDX Airwolf, a high-powered hover bike built for the skies. This electric VTOL beast delivers 430 horsepower through 4 tilting ducted fans, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. With a top speed of 142 miles per hour, it's not just fast, it's fierce. The carbon fiber chassis isn't just for looks either, it's designed like a wing, providing nearly half the lift during flight for improved efficiency. Weighing in at just 639 pounds, the Airwolf can carry 2 passengers and cruise for up to 25 minutes, covering around 41 miles. And despite its futuristic vibe, it's grounded in smart engineering, balancing speed, agility, and eco-conscious performance. This isn't a drone, it's not just a bike, it's a whole new category of personal mobility. For those bold enough to fly solo through the future, Airwolf is your ride. What if breaking the sound barrier didn't have to break the silence? Meet NASA's X-59, the jet that whispers at supersonic speeds. Unlike traditional supersonic aircraft, the X-59 is built to fly fast without the earth-shaking boom. Cruising at Mach 1.4, that's around 925 miles per hour, at 55,000 feet, it replaces the deafening shockwave with a gentle thump. That's thanks to its ultra-slim 99-foot frame and a needle-like 38-foot nose designed to sculpt shockwaves before they reach the ground. At its heart is a powerful F414GE100 engine, borrowed from fighter jets like the F/A-18 Super Hornet, but reimagined for smooth, quiet travel. The aircraft only hits about 75 decibels at ground level, about as loud as a car door closing. The X-59 is part of NASA's bold quest mission to change the future of air travel. By proving sonic booms can be tamed, it's paving the way for faster, quieter, overland flights to become reality. This isn't just the future of flight, it's the sound of progress. What if one aircraft could do it all? Fly fast, land almost anywhere, and fit in your garage. Meet the Manta ANN2. This hybrid electric marvel is built for versatility. With a cruising speed of 300 km per hour and up to 1,000 km of range, it combines power and efficiency in a sleek, tandem two-seater. Its lightweight carbon composite body, V-tail, and canard wings aren't just for show, they boost aerodynamic performance and agility. Equipped with 8 electric ducted fans, 4 fixed, 4 tilting, the AN2 handles both vertical takeoff and traditional runway flight. The hybrid power system blends onboard generators with batteries, and it's ready for sustainable aviation fuel. It's packed with safety tech too. Fly-by-wire controls, a HODS interface, and a full ballistic parachute. Modular design means it can be quickly taken apart for transport or repairs, making it as practical as it is advanced. From medevac missions to rescue ops or daily hops between towns, the AN2 is redefining what a personal aircraft can do. It's not just about flying, it's about flying smarter. What if your car could take off at the push of a button? Meet the Xpeng Land Aircraft Carrier, a bold leap into the future of travel. This isn't your typical ride. It's a high-tech hybrid that merges rugged off-road power with next-level aerial capability. With a 6x6 all-wheel drive system, rear-wheel steering, and a sleek 3-axle build, it handles city streets and dirt trails like a pro. But here's the twist. Onboard sits a detachable flying module. With one-touch separation, it transforms from road warrior to airborne explorer in seconds. Powered by an 800 volts high-voltage system, it delivers up to 1,000 miles on land and recharges the flight module on the go. Inside, it seats up to 5 comfortably, blending luxury with function. Safety systems, futuristic design, and smart controls make it feel more like piloting a ship than driving a car. The Xpeng Land Aircraft Carrier isn't just a vehicle, it's a launchpad for the future of mobility. Because when the road ends, your journey shouldn't.